And so I guarantee you guys, the Democrats in the city council in El Paso will do everything they can to make sure that we don't get those savings back to you guys. Okay, that money belongs to you. You'll notice that I said homestead tax. Okay, if you own several properties, I'm fine with modifying the property tax on what you pay. It shouldn't be absurd, but you do got to have some skin in the game, especially for the city, especially if you have several properties. Okay, but if it's your homestead, your fucking home, why are you paying property taxes on the place that you live? Okay, now maybe there is a fairness that we should apply. Okay, fixing roads and stuff like that, but it shouldn't be $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, guys. That's just raping you. Okay, plus your income tax, plus the taxes that you, when you just go out and enjoy your life, turn on the lights. I mean, God, guys, this is ridiculous. Okay, again, I'm all for abolishing the IRS and getting rid of the income tax as long as we keep up with the tariffs. Okay, this is how we used to do things in this country. Okay, we used to charge tariffs to come for countries to do business in America. And this is why when we got rid of the tariff scheme, we basically started raping people over their income. Okay, and it was a scheme of how do we generate the money that we've lost because of tariff revenue. Okay, and how do we make it up? Well, they just make it up on your backs, guys. Okay, these corporations internationally do not want to pay those tariffs, guys. Okay, they put the burden back onto you. That's why they call it a tax. Okay, guys, I would much rather they pay the tax. Okay, because we're gonna pay the tax on the products in general anyways. If that's the case, we can still minimize the amount of taxes that you're paying on products. Okay, and if need be, the president can always put leverage to make sure that they're not over gouging you. Okay, so we need to modify the property taxes in this city, okay, and make sure that we have a homestead rule that exempts your home from being overtaxed because you live there. That's your home, that's your property, that belongs to your family and your lineage, guys. Okay, that's going to be my number one goal. And if they obstruct, we have a backup plan. It's called the Strong Mayor's Initiative. Okay, and if need be, we'll work on that, and we're going to explain that later. I don't want to give all the secrets out, guys, but believe me when I tell you, we're going to rein this city in. It's absurd what they're charging you, and you don't deserve that kind of punishment.